What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's like 7 a.m. It's Eclipse Day. We're in the line of totality. We got to work on the Bronco. It's gonna be a crazy day. I honestly miss just working in the driveway. It's a completely different experience, but we'll have that again someday. I was literally like, as I was driving, every shift, it was like, whip, whip, whip. As much as I love this thing, guys, and I mean, it picks up, it goes, the compounds are amazing. I can't wait to take the lift off and put some smaller tires on this thing, stock bumpers. I'm truly, truly excited. It's fast now, but it's going to be a completely different animal when it's actually geared correctly for the tire size. It's got 342s and 38s or 39s right now, had 40s before. It's definitely under geared, but it'll be fun here shortly. Next thing, see what got dropped off last week. Look at this. All of this stuff from Banks Power. This is all here. Even down here, all of these goodies are for the 3rd gen build. I can't wait to get this thing started because it's going to be a completely different, more exciting animal than the green truck even is. So I'm excited to put all those horsepower goodies on it. Turbo, the whole 9. This thing's going to be crazy. I plan on doing like a CP3 injection pump. I don't know if I'm going to do a 10, 12, 14 mil. I don't know. I just want it to be fun. We are gonna personally build that 48 transmission as well, all the parts, and it should be a really fun and exciting build. And I know the Bronco's not diesel and high horsepower, but it's gonna look so good when it's done. And truly, I can't wait to finish this. We are like, it doesn't look like it, but the hardest part of this is exactly what we did first. The rest of it's gonna go so quick, you're gonna be like, whoa, 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 I wish there was more. What I figured out last week is I am able to run a single power wire because the audio system we're running in here, I can run it off of one 900 watt 5-channel amp. It'll run all 4 speakers, both subs, just fine. So we don't have to run 0 gauge in this. We can run 4 gauge straight to the amp, and it's gonna be just nice, easy, simple, clean install. We're still gonna probably have to build a box, but I can run one 4 gauge wire and get it ran back here, and we'll get the speaker wires run as well. And honestly, I just walked over here to the parts shelf, but look at this. I forgot we had this. This is for the other 3rd gen that we're going to be assisting build. Banks intake for it. Best stuff, guys. I'm not lying, not playing around. It's all proven. Just trust them. Trust Gale. Now, we are literally on the center line of totality, which is crazy. Like this moment right now, somehow we got placed here. This shop is like right on the center line. So let's hope these clouds go away this afternoon and we are able to see the full eclipse. They should. kind of looks like it's clearing up down there. So you know we'll be watching it, and I will show you it because a lot of you don't have this experience, and I'm kind of amazed that we have this experience, but we're right on the center line, so I'm gonna show you the best I can of what happens throughout today. In the meantime, I think we've got about 8:49 in the morning now, so I think we've got about 6-7 hours until that time. So in the meantime, I think audio system is not on the list for today. I really don't want to do that just yet because I'm waiting on the seatbelts to come back. They should be here this week, and then we could do all the interior stuff. So I think it's a color matching day because we got a lot of stuff to paint on this thing still. Get this thing all color matched and put back together. Here's the pile. I think the hard top's gonna be probably the last thing we do. That's kind of probably a bad move because I don't want to run out of paint. We shouldn't, but we need to do the hood. We got to do all the plastics. We got a couple white painted things still. Here's the rest of this. All these extra body pieces. The little pieces that go on top of the windshield. Come over here, we got the door handle. Oh, I forgot about this. We've got the little, you know, the keypad plastic. And then we obviously have the between window pieces. And the other handle is over here. So I don't want to overwhelm myself too much, but I'm going to go through and pick out kind of all the pieces that I want to color match / I can mount and hold and color match today. I'd love to maybe the grill, I don't know, at least this. I want to get the front kind of put back together, so I'm gonna go through and kind of pick out what pieces that are gonna best benefit the situation today, and then I'll kind of show you the process of what we're gonna do to completely color match this Bronco.
It's actually better on my glass off. It's getting, look at it, it's getting darker out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, it is closing, that's sick.
Oh my god, it's almost there.
Yeah, so what are we doing?
Yeah, oh, it's gone.
No, it's not. You can literally watch it get dark.
Oh my god, look at how dark it is.
Look at, there's a star.
There's a star.
Wow.
That's up.
Is that a meteor?
Dude, look at it.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Look at that!
Woo!
Whoa.
Look at it.
Why'd you look at that?
Now you can look at it without your glasses.
Whoa.
Glasses.
Oh my god.
Where's the meteor?
Whoa.
Holy shit.
That is
Now what? What do we do?
Crazy.
Hey, can we hear the peepers?
Okay, Benny. Rollers in that. Look at that sunset.
Yo,
That's what I'm saying. Look, we need rollers.
it's crazy. Since when's there sunset?
Wow.
Now I'll be a
I ain't never
I'll
seen
be
it like
alive.
that. This sick, yeah.
Wow. It's about to get real bright real quick.
Dude, we're all gonna be like,
At least we got to see this.
you know, when the sun comes out, we're all gonna be like,
Completely dark.
Well, all the people.
Oh, it's coming down, look now.
Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa.
Okay, don't look at it with your eyes anymore.
Whoa.
look at that airplane flying right over there.
Whoa. Holy cow.
The sun. Now
What
look at the
the?
birds. The birds came back out.
Dude, yeah, the birds are probably tripping balls.
They're gonna start chirping.
Wait.
What?
Damn, that was
It's about to get like hot.
sleep over now.
That's what I'm saying.
Why couldn't we like?
So bright, so fast.
Wow.
They're already coming for you.
Alright guys, that Eclipse was crazy. The sun's like back full strength now, and I really want to get the Bronco outside to see how she looks in the full sun. Obviously we still need to wet sand and polish this. On camera it may not look like it because it looks fantastic and it looks wet, but in person I just need to wet sand it because there's still a little bit of orange peel. I mean, it's just so faint, but I can tell, and I want this thing to be completely glass. Check this out. And look at that off the fender. It's super purple in the sun. The shade, it looks dark purple, and then if you go behind it, it's just completely black. So I'm really excited to see what the other piece is on, because then it'll really pull together. And on, you know, on this side, while it's directly purple in the sun, the hood will have those dips and look black and kind of bring this thing all together. Same thing with the hardtop. Speaking of the other pieces, I've got just a handful of them sanded. We're probably going to finish this one today, but what I'm finding is this texture, although thinner than like a Jeep, for some reason takes a minute to get out. And you can't sand it with too crazy of a grit, because then you'll hit the release agent in the plastic, and then you have all sorts of problems with your primers and paints and everything trying to stick. So you got to be careful using 220 and all this, especially these curves, you know, all these curved pieces. It's taken time, but it'll be worth it. Our seatbelts also came back. Now that the seatbelts are back, we can finally get this whole interior put back together, and I want to drive it because this thing is gonna be sweet. Alright guys, so I got about, I think it's 11 pieces sanded. There's 12 left, so we're about halfway done. That's all it's gonna, you know, be for today. It does take a lot to hand sand all those out, and that grill's gonna give me a heck of a time tomorrow. A couple small pieces up there, and then we'll be able to get these things in the booth and this thing color matched this week, and then we'll probably have one more run in the paint booth with the hard top, the hood, just a few other pieces. In the meantime, we got our seat belts back, and I'm interested to see how they look because I haven't seen them, you guys haven't seen them. Nice. As I cut through it, but install instructions. Wow. Look at that. I'm like, is this the same purple that's in my truck? And I'm like,
so much brighter.
yeah. Oh, it's unwrapped. So we can put it in. Why do these look so bright? So I guess that didn't go as planned. This is, I don't even know what color this is, but this is the purple I was going for. The same purple that's in the green truck here, but that's like pink. So I'm probably gonna have to get these sent back and have them re-webbed again. But yeah, because this would match the Bronco. This just kind of stands out like a sore thumb. Let's go check this out. Yeah, you see on this side, this would just kind of, I mean, it kind of looks okay like this, but yeah, that would just kind of stick out. That's more pink than anything. All right, yeah, guys, so unfortunately, I'm gonna need those a shade darker, otherwise they will look out of place. No problem, we'll get that fixed up. Like I said, it does take a lot to hand sand these, so we will probably finish the rest of this, and I hope to get all of this in primer in the next video. I'm really looking forward to getting all that, you know, set up. I can't wait to get these put on our 5.9 Cummins build. I am so excited. This should be a Banks intercooler, an air intake, boost tubes, intake horn, diff cover, and a couple other things. We'll also be modifying the Banks air intake, so we'll have a closed sealed box to whatever turbo setup we put on that. So that's going to be super sweet. We'll have a sealed box. It's just going to be an awesome and really fun build. So I'm so excited to get started on this. That's for sure. So yeah, guys, we're gonna keep getting busy on the Bronco in the next video. We'll be able to get these things all in hopefully some color, if not primer. It's gonna be a huge step to getting this thing put back together. I can't wait to see all of these pieces on. It's gonna look like a completely different animal. Now that I'm looking at this, I should probably take this off because I'm gonna need to sand that. We got a lot to go on this Bronco, but it's gonna go quick here. Just watch this thing come together. If you guys enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, drop me a comment if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next one.